Most car owners waste hundreds of dollars replacing perfectly good parts just because a basic code reader showed a fault. A standard scanner only gives you a tiny piece of the diagnostic puzzle by pointing to a general system error. You must stop chasing these vague codes and start commanding your vehicle's computer directly. An affordable bi-directional scan tool allows you to take total control of the individual components inside your engine bay. Instead of guessing if your fuel pump is actually dead, you can use the scanner to force it to turn on. You will instantly hear the pump engage and know immediately if the electrical circuit is functioning properly. This active diagnostic logic works for almost every electrical component on modern vehicles. You can manually cycle the air conditioning compressor clutch or activate the engine cooling fans without ever starting the engine. By testing parts mechanically before reaching for your wallet, you eliminate the expensive trial and error process. This completely changes how you troubleshoot complex evaporative emission systems or confusing misfire problems. Upgrading to a bi-directional scanner is the most important step for serious home mechanics. It bridges the gap between guessing at dashboard lights and performing precise professional-level diagnostics in your own driveway.